iPhone 12 mini in 2025. For my idea, just under $200. You can use it for everything: CapCut, video blog, and your daily life. To use this phone, everything is perfectly fine, and I don't know how people cannot use this device as daily driver. Maybe because of battery life. You can put on a MagSafe battery pack. You can put it on like this, and you can have it for the whole day. With this. So I think for normal use, video creator, because you can manage everything in here. You can upload, you can edit, you can do everything in here. Record, edit, upload, and respond to your subscriber. Everything is in here. You can do it. I use it daily.